Hey guys, you should be excited. We're talking exterior angle theorem, okay? And say that 3 times fast. Okay, so this first problem here is just going to show it in its simplest form, I guess you could say. And then over here, we're going to use it to help us solve a bit more complex problem, okay? So right here, this theorem tells me when you have a problem that looks like this, if you add these two angles, it'll give you that exterior angle, right? So let's apply that. So if I add 36 plus 58, that should give me this guy, okay? So 36 plus 58 gives me 94, okay? So this guy here is 94 degrees. You're like, great, that was really easy. And I don't know if I believe you, okay? If you don't believe me, I'll link a video in the corner where I explain why this works, okay? But let's go ahead and apply it to this problem, which is a little bit more complex, right? These kind of problems, you kind of got to think of them like a puzzle, okay? So they're giving you enough information to figure out what this is, okay? So using my exterior angle theorem, what do I notice here? I notice that I have these two angles here. And according to this, if I add these two together, that should give me this whole angle here, right? I know this piece of it is 45 degrees, but if I add these together, it should give me that entire angle here. This one, I'll draw little marks. You know what angle I'm talking about. That whole angle, right? So let's see what happens. If I add 47 plus 38, I get 85, okay? So this entire angle is 85 degrees, okay? Great. Now, what does that tell me? Well, if I know that entire angle is 85 degrees and that little angle is 45, then I can figure out that this angle, just where the orange is, if this whole thing's 85, just that's 45. I take 85 minus 45, that is 40. That angle right there, right? Okay. Now I can figure out this guy because I know that the 3 angles of a triangle always add to 180 degrees, right? So I have 2 of the 3. So I'm going to add 51 plus 40, which gives me 91, right? Okay. And then to figure out this guy, I know all 3 of them added together need to equal 180. So I'm going to take 180 and subtract 91, which gives me 89. Okay, so that means this angle here is 89 degrees. Okay, these problems, like I said before, you kind of got to think of them like a puzzle. They're giving you enough information, but sometimes you need to find other pieces to get your final answer, okay? Hopefully this made sense. If you need some other problems like this, I will link some for you. Thanks, bye.